Coforge has won a 5-year contract worth over $230 million from a major European client to lead an AI-driven business transformation project. The company will use AI, automation, and low-code platforms to improve business operations, boost productivity, reduce manual work, and speed up decision making. The deal is one of Coforge's biggest AI transformation wins in Europe. Aurobindo Pharma will acquire an 80% stake in A1 Biochem Group's contract research business for $17 million through its subsidiary Epitoria Pharma. The deal will strengthen Aurobindo's research and drug development capabilities and help build an integrated contract research, development, and manufacturing organization platform. The acquisition is expected to close in 90 to 120 days, subject to customary approvals. RailTel has received a 32.75 crore rupees order from North Central Railway to upgrade railway signalling systems across 14 stations in the Prayagraj division. The project aims to improve track circuit reliability and is scheduled to be completed by 23rd January 2028.